this popular demanded video. I can't even talk, but that's okay. What's going on, guys? My name is Jinder, aka Jinder Spice, and today, just between me and you, I ain't no chef, but I can cook. I'm gonna be making a really popular Indian dish today called butter chicken. I don't know if you've ordered this at a restaurant, an Indian restaurant, wherever, you go and there's Indian food, there's always butter chicken. But today I'm gonna be doing something special. I'm gonna be making a vegan alternative. Yes, vegan. I'm gonna be making vegan butter chicken. I know that's kind of contradicts things because chicken isn't vegan, but what I mean by that is the entire base is gonna be non-dairy, and then obviously it's gonna have chicken in it. But for all you vegetarian, veg heads, vegans, I'm also going to be making a vegan option with tofu, so that way you guys can kind of dabble with that or this, whatever it is that you want. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen, and make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know if you try this recipe out at home. All right, cheers. So what we're gonna do now is, there's two parts to this recipe. One part is obviously the chicken and the tofu, and the other part is obviously the base, the sauce, that butter chicken, buttery yumminess that we all know. So what we're gonna do is, I already have my tofu in this bowl, and I have my chicken in this bowl. Let's just zoom in. There we go. So I have boneless chicken breast. Boneless chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I cut them in just like little pieces right here. And then over here I have my tofu that I cut up. So what we're gonna do, real time, we're gonna add a few things in. Some ginger paste. That's thrown in. Some garlic stir and paste. So about a tablespoon of that. Some salt. Some Kashmiri mirt or some red chili powder.
Oh no! Oops!
There. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Add a teeny bit of olive oil. Not too much. Just a little splash, just to marinate. What we're gonna do here now is we are gonna give this a nice little mix. And as you can tell, that is marinating up now. Oh yeah, look at that. Smells amazing. Oh yes. Give that a nice little mix. As you can see. Do the same thing with the tofu. This is vegan as it gets. Alright, so we are solid. Let that marinate, let us do its thing, and now we're on to step number 2, the sauce.
A few minutes later.
Now, we're basically allowing our chicken to marinate and the tofu to marinate, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up frying it. So at about 15 minutes, it's already been about 10 minutes, you wanna put a little bit of olive oil in a pan, not too much. Since we're doing both, I have 2 pans here, good amount of olive oil in both pans. We're gonna let the oil warm up a little bit before we end up frying the chicken and the tofu. So what's gonna happen is we let that warm up. The pans have warmed up, so I'm gonna put the tofu on first, so I don't cross-contaminate anything here. Yeah, that's nice. Get that going. Get the chicken. Chicken going, the tofu going, and now is the super fun part, the sauce. Of course, butter chicken wouldn't be butter chicken without butter, but we're not going to be using real butter. We're going to be using Earth Balanced traditional spread for your vegan, vegetarian needs. And now is the fun part. We're basically gonna cut up an onion. I don't want you guys to worry too much about how finely you chop it, only because we're gonna be pureeing this at the end of the day, so, oh yeah. What's happening here is we're gonna be pureeing it at the end of the recipe, which you'll see. And we're gonna take this last pot and we're gonna throw a little bit of, get your avocado oil or your extra virgin olive oil, put a little bit in there and let your pot warm up a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna change the view up a bit here so that we can see what's going on. So on the other side we have the chicken and the tofu going, and on this side, as you can see, we have the onions going. We're gonna throw in some tomatoes. We're even gonna cut one more up. Throw those right in. Alright, you guys were wondering about the butter. We're gonna put one nice big ass spoon of butter in at this point. Oh yeah. Butter chicken, baby. Butter fucking chicken. At this point, we're gonna add in some cashew nuts. As many as you want. Once that is doing its thing, here's some water. Gonna throw some water in there. And last but not least, we got the garlic paste. And we're just gonna put some of that in there. Alright guys, next goes in some garam masala, some good old fashioned sugar. Let's go, baby! I'm a good cook, but I'm not saying I'm strong. Holy crap. Takes strength to be, wow, a man of the kitchen. Throw some sugar in there and stir that all up. Alright, at this point you can see that the chicken has been nicely fried, the tofu over there has been nicely done, and then here's my masterpiece sauce. Look at that. That's all just, you know, normal stuff. Now what's gonna happen, we're gonna transfer this incredible, beautiful baste here, and we're gonna transfer it into another bowl. So here's my bowl, and then what we have is a puree thing, this thing here that my mom got me, and we're gonna puree the shit out of it. This might get messy. So we're gonna take everything that we have in here and we're gonna transfer it into this bowl. So just do it right in front of you guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah. See, it's all right in there. I'm gonna take this little thing, connect it, plug that bitch in, and we're gonna puree the crap out of this. Main thing with butter chicken is you want it to be nice and smooth and buttery and so basically as long as this takes, just keep going. Unplug that. Multitask, find yourself a man who can wash dishes and cook, because you don't want to be cleaning up this mess. getting to the step where everything is like basically done. Here's the full vegan tofu butter tofu dish. And I only use this on the vegan one, but I'm gonna transfer to the chicken right now. And then here we got our chicken dish right here. And now, last but not least, dress it up with some Kasoori methi. Sprinkle some of this. Bam. Give it that butter chickeny. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And this, my friends, is a 2-in-1 cooking tutorial by none other than Jinder Spice. I understand the production value of this video could have been much better, but listen, that was my first time ever making butter chicken, let alone for an audience. B, butter tofu. Who the hell makes that? I do. So if you want to eat this, you can have it over rice, you can have it over quinoa, you can have it with naan, you can have it however the hell you want. And yeah, last but not least, make sure you guys go and subscribe, like the video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, but better production quality, let me know in the comments below. Last but not least, I love you guys so much. And let's go do a taste test. Holy balls. That was good. That was damn good. Love you guys.